outside of the box and out of the country. Ginger, sesame, surf and sky, wood duck and scallops. Let's go. Start with soy sauce in a cast iron skillet. Now add your chicken broth or any kind of broth. Throw in your minced ginger. Hit it with a heaping helping of spawn. Add your honey and bring it to a simmer. While your sauce is simmering, dust your meat with Provider Dragon. Next, take your scallops and duck meat and put it in a bag with cornstarch. That coating is going to make it crispy when you fry it. Now toss them in the hot oil. After about a minute, give them a quick flip. Now arrange your scallops and duck pieces on a bed of rice. And for the finishing touches, drizzle your soy ginger sauce on the top and hit it with some sesame seeds. Oh yeah, that'll be good.